guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share some serious life-saving hacks to deal with coronavirus. Now coronavirus is a buzzword that is going in our country every now and then, and I think most of us get stressed out thinking about it. So I thought, why not go ahead and sit down and make some sort of hacks that could help you guys to deal with it in real life. Now before getting into this video, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up. Now for this particular video, make sure you use the hashtag I pledge to be safe, because I believe you guys are my brave army, and that's what the message I'm going to try to convey throughout my video. Now share this video as much as you can, and in case you happen to recreate any of the hacks from this particular video, then go ahead and tag me on my Instagram using the hashtag I pledge to be safe, and I'll be more than happy to repost it on my Instagram stories. And yeah, without a further ado, let's get into this video. Now due to the outspread of coronavirus, there has been an increase in demand of hand sanitizers, although the supply is very low. And this is what the current situation is. We tend to reach to our nearest shop to buy a hand sanitizer, but by the time we reach there, hand sanitizers are almost out of stock. So here's a quick DIY which I'm going to share with you guys to make a homemade hand sanitizer at home. Now here comes a quick disclaimer: this sanitizer has not been invented by me. This had been recommended by WHO, so I'm going to follow the same steps as recommended by them for making a homemade hand sanitizer. So yeah, let's begin. Speaking of hand sanitizer, you have to make use of rubbing alcohol, aloe vera, glycerin and an empty bottle. Now you need to take 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, pour it into a bowl, then 1 teaspoon of glycerin, mix it well, then you need to extract the pulp of aloe vera and then mix it well, and here's a recipe done. You can use this as a regular hand sanitizer, and it works in a similar way as we find out in a nearby drugstore. So yeah, the recipe is really simple. I'm sure most of you guys must be having a cloth bag with you guys, so it's time to reuse this cloth bag and make a face mask out of it. So here I'm sharing a DIY face mask, and for making this you're gonna require 3 items. Firstly being the cloth bag, secondly a hot glue gun, and thirdly being the elastic. So yeah, let's begin. Now for the making of a face mask, you're gonna require a cloth bag. Just simply cut it out right from the center, and whatever portion is remaining, we are going to make a mask out of it. Since I think there is a lot of portion in it, I simply cut it out. You guys need to fold it in the way I'm showing on the screen, then hot glue the ends of the folded areas and repeat these steps for 2 more times. And yeah, I think our face mask is halfway done. Now the last step which I'm going to follow is quickly go ahead and take 2 elastic and then secure it using a hot glue gun. Now this is how our face masks look like, and yeah, in case of shortage of face masks, you guys could go ahead and try this out at home. And please make sure you use a clean cloth bag to make a face mask. So that's a quick disclaimer, and yeah, we are pretty much done. Time to kill the corona germs from your hands. It's recommended to wash your hands every single time you touch anything, and you must wash your hands for at least of 20 seconds. When I say it, I totally mean it. And I think you guys must be relating my words with that ad, Bunty tera sabun slow hai kya? But it's high time, it's now time to be like Bunty and religiously wash your hands for legit 20 seconds. I'm going to insert some clip for you guys to understand how you need to wash your hands. The best technique to wash your hands is to firstly pour some sort of water and then drop 1 pump of hand sanitizer, rub it all over your fingers, on the bridges of your fingers, then on the nails, because their area can also be filled with the virus, and also over the wrist. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Make sure you do it religiously for 20 seconds, and yeah, we are good to go. Now I'm going to share quick recipes to boost up your immunity. For the first recipe, take a combination of milk and turmeric and intake it in every day morning. So yeah. Now for the second recipe, you guys could go ahead and take a glass full of hot water and mix 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric and add half tablespoon of honey, and trust me guys, you guys are gonna love it, and it's for your betterment. Very rightly said, jal hi jeevan hai. So I would highly recommend you guys to take hot water every 15 minutes because water has some sort of properties that could help to fight with all the bacteria if anything like that exists. Now I'm 100% sure 90% of the people tend to touch their face more often because we are habituated doing this right from our childhood. Now I'm sure if in case you get in contact with any of the bacteria on your hand, it would easily get transferred on your face. So to deal with it, obviously sanitize to karna hi hai. Along with that, you guys could go ahead and follow this recipe which I'm going to share. So you guys need to mix the aloe vera gel and rose water and apply it all over your face because aloe vera has some sort of properties that could deal to fight with bacteria. And yeah, leave it on your face for good 5 minutes and then rinse it off. And yeah, that's how your skin could breathe. Social distancing is a buzzword now, and I think you guys should follow by saying no to any sort of social gatherings because I think our technology have evolved in such a better way. We guys could connect to any people using any video calls, WhatsApp or any social media. So what are you guys waiting for? Stay safe at home, self-quarantine yourself, spend a lot of quality time with your family. Remember guys, we have got a chance to prove ourselves as a brave soldier by sitting at our home and staying safe there. We are not even asked to go to the border and safeguard our nation. So please take this as an opportunity and stay safe at home. I believe you guys are my brave army. So please, whomsoever are going to follow this rule, please comment down using the hashtag I pledge to be safe. Normally we tend to sneeze in this way, but WHO recommends that you need to always cover your mouth either with a handkerchief or tissue while sneezing. And if you guys don't have a hanky or a tissue in place, then you guys could go ahead and sneeze it in this way. This probably lowers the chances of getting the virus into our body. The reason is we don't often touch our wrist or elbows, so that's how we are going to lower the risk of spreading the virus to anywhere else. I know these days we are getting a lot of DM and we tend to forward it without even thinking about it for a second, and the side effects are really bad. It can create panic situation, and that's what I could see happening at the moment. So I would highly recommend you guys to stop spreading rumors, stop falling for such kind of traps, and I would highly recommend you guys to believe in those newses that comes from a legitimate sources like WHO or government. So don't let any negative energies break you from within. Since we are self-quarantine, I think we are going to spend most of our times in mobile phones. Just how we wash our hands, it's really important to keep our phones also clean. So we can do it by sprinkling a little bit of hand sanitizer and cleaning it off using a tissue paper. This is how you can lower the risk of getting the germs or the bacteria into your body. Make use of elbows to open the doors instead of making use of hands. And also while traveling throughout the lift, you guys need to make use of either toothpick or elbows while pressing any key on the lifts, and make sure you don't touch any places because coronavirus अगर कहीं पे होगा तो it's highly possible कि अब वो आपके body पे भी transmit हो जाए. So now let's stand straight to fight against corona. Remember guys, self-safety is the only way to keep our world safe. Please reach out to the helpline numbers provided by the government in case you see any sort of symptoms similar to coronavirus in your body. So yeah, that's how you guys could connect with them, and trust me guys, they are just a call away. Let's be safe and let's not spread the coronavirus to anyone. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found this hacks really useful. Now before ending up this video, I would highly recommend you guys to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's stand straight with our nation and the PM who have declared Janta curfew today. So please don't go out from your home. Let's make a change. Let's not repeat the mistake that has been conducted by other nation. Let's not be a fool. Be a brave person. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe at home, and yeah, till then take care. Bye bye.